Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Good morning.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
I'm really good. I had a beautiful dream last night.
Oh, really? That sounds nice.
Yes, I dreamed about flying. I was flying over the ocean.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It was. I felt so free, so happy.
I love dreams like that. They feel so real.
Exactly. When I woke up, I was smiling.
That's wonderful. Today we want to talk about dreams.
Yes, dreams are special. Everyone has dreams.
That's right. Sometimes we dream at night. Sometimes we dream about our future.
Both kinds of dreams are important.
They are. Dreams can make us happy. They can give us hope.
So today we want to share some English expressions about dreams.
Simple words, easy to use, but very beautiful.
And we want to talk about our own dreams too.
Yes, we'll share stories, we'll laugh together.
And maybe you'll think about your own dreams.
Your night dreams, your future dreams.
So are you ready?
Let's start. Let's talk about dreams.
Let's begin.
Alex, you said you had a dream last night.
Yes, I was flying.
Flying dreams are very popular. Many people have them.
Really? Do you have flying dreams?
Sometimes, not very often, but when I do, I feel amazing.
Me too. In my dream, I was above the ocean. The water was so blue.
That sounds beautiful.
It was. I could see everything. The sky, the water, the clouds.
Did you feel scared?
No, not at all. I felt free. I felt light.
That's a good feeling.
It was perfect. Do you remember your dreams, Emma?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't.
Yeah, me too. Some mornings I wake up and think, what was that dream?
And then you forget.
Exactly. The dream just disappears.
That happens to me too. But last week, I had a very clear dream.
Oh? Tell me about it.
I was in a garden. A big, beautiful garden.
Nice. What was in the garden?
Flowers. So many flowers. Red, yellow, pink, purple.
Wow, that sounds like a painting.
It felt like that. Everything was bright. Everything was peaceful.
Were you alone?
No, my grandmother was there.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yes. She passed away many years ago, but in my dream, she was there.
How did you feel?
I felt warm. I felt loved. We were just walking together.
That's a beautiful dream, Emma.
Thank you. When I woke up, I felt happy, but also a little sad.
I understand. You missed her.
Yes, but I was also grateful. Grateful for the dream.
Dreams can do that. They can bring people back to us.
That's true, even for a short time.
You know, some people say dreams have meaning.
Yes, I've heard that too.
Like, if you dream about water, it means emotions.
Or if you dream about flying, it means freedom.
Right. Do you believe that?
Maybe. I think dreams show us what we feel inside.
I agree. Sometimes we don't know what we're feeling, but our dreams show us.
Exactly. Dreams are honest.
They are. You can't lie in a dream.
That's a good point.
So, Emma, do you have dreams about the future too?
Oh, yes, of course.
What kind of dreams?
Well, I dream about traveling. I want to see the world.
Where do you want to go?
So many places. Italy, Japan, New Zealand.
Those are beautiful places.
I know. I dream about walking in those places, seeing new things, meeting new people.
That's a wonderful dream.
What about you, Alex? What are your future dreams?
I have many, but one big dream is to write a book.
A book? Really?
Yes, I love stories. I want to write my own story.
That's amazing. What kind of book?
Maybe a book about everyday life, simple moments, small joys.
I love that. I would read that book.
Thank you. But it's scary too.
Scary? Why?
Because dreams can feel big, sometimes too big.
I understand. Sometimes we think, can I really do this?
Exactly. Can I really write a book? Can I really travel the world?
But you know what? Small steps are important.
Small steps.
Yes. You don't have to do everything today. Just start, one step at a time,
That's true. One page at a time.
one trip at a time.
Right. Dreams don't have to happen all at once.
No, they grow slowly,
Like a garden.
exactly like a garden. You plant seeds, you water them, you wait.
And then, one day, flowers.
Beautiful flowers.
I like that image.
Me too. Dreams are like that.
You know, talking about dreams makes me feel good.
Me too. It gives me hope.
Hope is important,
It is. Hope helps us keep going.
even on difficult days.
Yes, we can think about our dreams and we can smile.
That's right.
So, everyone listening, what are your dreams?
Night dreams or future dreams?
Both. Think about them.
Write them down, talk about them.
Dreams are powerful.
They really are.
Okay, everyone. Now let's learn some expressions about dreams.
Yes, these are simple but useful.
You can use them every day.
Ready? Let's start.
First expression, I had a dream.
Very simple, very common.
You use this to talk about your night dreams.
For example, I had a dream last night.
Or, I had a strange dream.
I had a beautiful dream.
You can change the adjective. Strange, beautiful, scary, funny.
Right, the structure is easy. I had a dream.
Let's practice. Alex, can you make a sentence?
Sure. I had a funny dream about my cat.
Good. My turn. I had a peaceful dream about the ocean.
Nice. See, very easy.
Everyone, try it. Say it out loud.
I had a dream.
Great. Next expression, I dream about.
This is for future dreams, things you want to do.
For example, I dream about traveling.
I dream about writing a book.
I dream about learning new languages.
You see, I dream about plus an action or a thing.
It shows your wishes, your hopes.
Let's practice again. Emma, you start.
Okay. I dream about living near the mountains.
Beautiful. My turn. I dream about opening a small cafe.
Aw, I love that dream.
Thank you. Everyone, what do you dream about?
Think about it. Say it.
Third expression. It felt so real.
We use this when a dream was very strong, very clear.
Like you were really there.
For example, I had a dream last night. It felt so real.
Or, I dreamed about my grandmother. It felt so real.
This expression shows emotion.
It shows the dream was powerful.
Let me make a sentence. I dreamed I was flying. It felt so real.
Perfect. My turn. I dreamed I was in Paris. It felt so real.
Good job. Everyone, repeat after us.
It felt so real.
It felt so real.
Next expression. I woke up smiling.
Or, I woke up happy.
This is for good dreams, dreams that make you feel good.
The structure is simple. I woke up plus a feeling.
I woke up smiling.
I woke up crying.
I woke up confused.
You can use different feelings.
For example, I had a dream about my family. I woke up happy.
Or, I had a strange dream. I woke up confused.
Let's practice. Emma?
I dreamed about dancing under the stars. I woke up smiling.
That's lovely. My turn. I dreamed about my childhood home. I woke up feeling warm.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Last expression for today. One step at a time.
This is very important. It's about achieving your dreams.
You don't do everything at once.
You do it slowly, carefully.
One step at a time.
For example, I want to learn English. I'll do it one step at a time.
Or, I want to write a book. One step at a time.
It means be patient. Keep going.
Don't rush. Just continue.
Let's use it. Alex, I want to travel the world, but I'll do it one step at a time.
Good. My turn. I want to play the piano. I'll learn one step at a time.
Perfect.
So, everyone, remember these expressions.
I had a dream.
I dream about.
It felt so real.
I woke up smiling.
One step at a time.
Simple words, big meanings,
Practice them. Use them.
and they will become natural.
You know, Alex, talking about dreams today made me think
About what?
about how important dreams are, both kinds.
Night dreams and future dreams.
Yes, they both give us something special.
What do you mean?
Well, night dreams show us our feelings, our memories.
That's true. Like your dream about your grandmother.
Exactly. That dream brought me comfort.
And future dreams?
Future dreams give us direction. They give us hope,
Right. They show us where we want to go.
even if we don't know how to get there yet.
Just having the dream is important.
It is. It keeps us moving forward.
You know what I realized today?
What?
Dreams don't have to be perfect.
What do you mean?
Sometimes we think our dreams must be big, or special, or amazing.
Yes, I've felt that way too.
But small dreams are beautiful too.
Like what?
Like dreaming about a quiet morning, or dreaming about a good conversation with a friend.
Oh, I love that.
These small dreams matter.
They do. They fill our hearts.
Exactly.
And you know what else?
What?
It's okay if dreams change.
That's a good point.
Sometimes we have one dream, but life changes. We change.
And our dreams change too.
Yes, that's not bad. That's natural.
It means we're growing.
Exactly. We're learning what we really want.
I like that idea.
Me too.
So, everyone listening, don't be afraid of your dreams.
Big or small, old or new.
All dreams are valuable.
They show us who we are.
And who we want to become.
That's beautiful, Alex.
Thank you. I'm just thinking out loud.
Well, I think many people will feel the same way.
I hope so.
You know, I want to say something to everyone listening.
Please do.
If you have a dream, hold on to it.
Even when things are difficult,
Yes, even when you feel tired or scared.
hold on to your dream,
It's your light.
your hope.
Don't let anyone take it away.
And remember, one step at a time.
Yes, you don't have to rush.
Just keep walking.
Keep believing.
Your dream is waiting for you.
It really is. Well, Alex, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It does, but we'll be back soon.
That's right. We'll be here again.
So everyone, thank you for listening today.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We talked about dreams today.
Night dreams and future dreams.
We hope you enjoyed it.
And we hope you learned something new.
Maybe you learned a new expression.
Or maybe you just felt something warm in your heart.
Both are good. Before we go, let's remember today's expressions one more time.
I had a dream.
I dream about.
It felt so real.
I woke up smiling.
One step at a time.
Use them, practice them.
Make them yours.
And remember, dreams are important.
They give us hope.
They give us joy.
So dream big.
Dream small.
Just keep dreaming.
We believe in you.
We really do.
Until next time, take care of yourself
Be kind to yourself.
and keep smiling.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life.
Everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.